Hello everyone. Today we are making a green salad with high protein. We'll be making it with just 3 ingredients, and of course the dressing goes differently. So here we've chopped some broccoli and now some tofu. You can also put paneer instead of tofu if you like the taste much better. And you could directly put it in or saute it a little with oil and salt. Our next high protein ingredient is sprouts. Let's start with the dressing now. Here I have some mint and garlic cloves. Garlic is optional, not everyone loves the pungent smell of it, so be careful about that. To make your dressing creamy, you need some mayo or cream or even yogurt works. And the most important is mustard. Mustard will add that spice and taste to your dressing, which actually makes it special. Of course, now add some salt to taste and some pepper. Here I have pepper, chili flakes and oregano grounded together. Now we just put in some oil and blend it. Our dressing is ready. Just don't forget to add some lime or lemon and some honey. I forgot to put that in the video, but make sure you do that because that really makes the taste really good. Enjoy! You can also add some crushed peanuts or makhana, that is toasted, to add in some crunch. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.